What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be doing another iPhone durability test. And by the way guys, this is the same iPhone we used in our previous videos. As you can remember, we dropped it from 10th floor and amazingly it did survive. 3, 2, 1. It has some minor damage here and there, like scratches, and the screen is a bit damaged, but iPhone is fully functional, you know. Alright guys, so this time we are going to seal the iPhone inside this tire, drive the car with it for a bit, and see if the iPhone will survive. Oh no, we just broke the camera guys. That's really unfortunate. Guys, smash like for the GoPro. Alright guys, now it's time to find out what happened to our iPhone. Wow, look at that guys. Looks like our iPhone's still working. It survived again. Look at this. It's got some new screen damage right here, but otherwise it seems to be working perfectly. By the way guys, here we have another iPhone, and we want you to tell us in the comments what do you think we should do with it. Put your ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.